Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started some new YouTube channels, so be sure to check them out in the description below. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Okay guys, so we have some pineapple here. And we're going to cut up this mango to add to it, and we're going to be making a pineapple and mango ice cream. This is going to be a dairy-free ice cream that we're going to be making. Alright, I'm just going to suck out the rest of this mango from the seed. Okay, so to make our pineapple and mango ice cream, we're going to be using coconut milk. So I would say 2 tins of coconut milk. And then we're going to be putting in our mango and pineapple. Now, you can sweeten this either with condensed milk, but of course if you use condensed milk then it's not dairy free. But I will sweeten my own with some maple syrup. You can use honey if you want to keep this totally dairy free. Then you can sweeten it with either sugar or honey or maple syrup. Oh, this is pretty full. I'm gonna have to blend this very slowly. Let me just rinse out my hands. Okay, so I'm gonna add some maple syrup now. I'm not giving you a measurement, you add to your liking. So what I would suggest is you add a little, blend, and then taste to see if it needs to add some more. So to this ice cream, I think I am also going to add a little bit of vanilla essence to my ice cream as well. Yes, and maybe a dash of Angostura bitter. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of vanilla essence. And I'm going to put a little bit of Angostura bitters. Alright, let's get to blending. Alright, I'll just give this a taste because I want to know if I need to add more maple syrup. Just use this bowl. We'll add a little more maple syrup. I mean, I really shouldn't because I shouldn't take anything too sweet, but it can take a little more maple syrup. So, okay, I think that's it. I'm not gonna add any more. I think that should be. I think that should be good. Okay, so we're going to pour our mixture into our ice cream maker. Okay guys, so our ice cream maker has stopped. So let's pour our pineapple and mango ice cream base into our container so we can put it into the freezer to freeze up. So I'm just going to cover this. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a saran wrap on top of it so it will prevent it from forming ice crystals on the top. Alright, so let's put this in the freezer.